Hello, my name is Janet Seron. Talking about the future. Mark the sentence true or false. People will continue living in normal house and apartments. False. Food price will guide us the food we want to eat. True. Every person will project the environment by using eco-friendly cars. True. People will have bigger smartphones to communication with people. False. People will share their emotions through microglass. True. Talking about future plans. Be going to filling the bank. I have a lot of plans for today. I am going to take a shower now. I am going to have breakfast. Item, I am going to meet my friend at the office. We are going to have lunch together and we going to go back to the office and I am going. We have coffee with Bill, my boyfriend. Entonces, I am going to take a shot now. And I am going to meet. Nosotros to going to. En el almuerzo y nosotros en la oficina. I am going. We have coffee with Bill and boyfriend. Hello, my name is Janet Seron. Talking about the future. Mark the sentence true or false. People will continue living in their normal house and apartment. False. Food printer will guide us the food we want to eat. True. Every person will protect the environment by using eco-friendly cars. True. People will have bigger smartphones to communicate with people. Falso. Quitemos esto de aquí, falso. People will share their emotions through microglass. True. Good. Talking about future plans. Be going to. I have a lot of plans for today. I am going to take a shower now. I am going to have breakfast and I am going to meet friend at the office. We are going to have lunch together and we are gone. Then we are going to the office and going to have I am going to bien. Okay, thank you.